Hi, I'm Mark Wilson and I am the Engineering Heretic. This channel, as you probably guessed, is about engineering. I'm a toolmaker, that's my background. I spent about 25 years in the injection mould industry, mostly for the car industry, and these days we don't build cars in Melbourne, Australia anymore, or any other part of this country. Most of these things are done overseas these days. So my toolmaking background is a little bit limited these days. I got out of toolmaking and went into training and education. I taught apprentices in fitting and machining at a local college for another 10 years or so. I got out of that eventually, mostly because I ran out of students. And these days I work as an assessor, assessing in my trade for skill migration purposes from applicants from overseas. So why the name Engineering Heretic? Well, it's just a bit of fun really. In injection moulding, you had to be a little bit maverick or thinking outside the box to do certain things. Some of these setups had never been done before. The way we built some tooling had never been tried before. You had to be a little bit inventive to do it. And the name Heretic is just something, I suppose it's from my faith background. The word heretic was used to describe somebody who fell outside the normal bounds of what people understood was a particular faith. So hence the name Heretic. It just sort of stuck. It seemed like a good name. So this is about my workshop, this particular channel. It's about things I'm interested in. Antique clocks, machining operations, all sorts of things like that. Bits and pieces on cars and projects I'm interested in. My workshop's just for fun. I don't make any money out of this. So, if you're interested in engineering, click the like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And make a comment. Be part of the club of engineering. And I'm Mark Wilson, and thanks for watching.